You guys plan on doing a little more flying?
Yeah, I was up this morning. There were some like low-level clouds.
Okay.
Some of us like,
Put my camera.
Found like a hole. We found holes in the clouds. Because we want us to be able to see the ground still. We found holes in the clouds. Get up above the clouds.
Cool.
And now you're looking down on the clouds versus looking up.
Awesome. What's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Hi, Marcus. My name. How you doing?
Good.
Dalton Drone and Discovery Zone is my YouTube channel.
Nice.
So I was going to fly the drone over here, but this is actually more interesting.
Yeah, I mean, you could coordinate. I could get up and fly, and then what you can do is you get the drone up, and then get high enough that you can like film a takeoff.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
So
wow.
What I'm going to do is, the wind's going that way. Or coming down the field, so I'm going to take off in this direction.
Okay.
Here. So I'll probably set up over here, take off, so I avoid flying over people.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you have your drone, say, way out there, then you can film my takeoff.
Yes, that'd be perfect.
And you just have to make sure I don't run into your drone.
Yes, or my drone run into you.
Yeah.
So I guess somebody's getting some instruction here. Stay forward of the plane of the prop. He's breaking it in. That's what he's doing. I was wondering what he was doing with it. If something goes wrong, something flies off, you don't want to be in the plane of the prop. Right, you got it. Cool. I can smell it. Like it smells like a new engine.
No, the whole point is to get in.
It's like we have a cricket game going on over there.
First time they didn't have any of that.
Let me ask you something. If you're up there and the engine has an issue, does it turn into a parachute and you're okay?
Sure. Well, not a parachute, but it would be the same thing as like paragliding is paramotor without the motor.
Right.
And those guys just jump off a mountain or whatever they call it, thermals. But sure, you could fly it, but I haven't flown yet myself.
Okay. So as long as you're high enough, I suppose, and you steer it by pulling either way. Okay, like you would with a parachute. Okay.
They call it brakes, but it manipulates the wing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it doesn't come like that. You have to really put it together when you get it.
Well, the engine is welded to the frame, and they strap the harness to it. But there's the cage you have to assemble. And
oh, okay.
Very gentle and sensitive.
And this is only just a fine, it's just a fine mesh. It's not even a metal thing. It's,
no.
All right, take 1.5 steps back.
How much does that weigh?
60 pounds.
60 pounds?
That's it? That's not too, wow. Even with the fuel in there, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
About 60 pounds.
And if I could ask, this is the $1 million question, how much would something like this cost?
Well, this one was $8,000.
Okay, and that concludes the parachute, or is that just for the motor?
That's just the motor.
Wow.
It's not a parachute. It's
sorry.
actually a wing.
A wing, we'll call it a wing.
Yeah, it's actually got, the curve of the wing.
Oh,
and
okay.
lift.
Angle of
It's
attack.
different, yeah.
Yeah.
What do they call exactly? A forced air wing or something? Or? I know that people get mad over the parachute thing.
Do they? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
They run about 7, 8.
7,000 to 8,000? Yeah. So we're talking 7,000 to 8,000 for the wing.
Just this.
Just that, and the wing would cost
No, that's like 3,000.
3,000. Okay. So
Yeah,
all right.
instruction.
We're talking $10,000, $11,000 for the whole thing.
Yeah.
And instruction.
And instruction too. That's right. Yeah. So however, now how long would it take somebody to go through the full instruction? Depends on the person.
Third year.
Oh.
I haven't flown yet.
Okay.
Jonathan started this spring. He's
Okay.
already got like 100 flights. So.
All right. Okay. So I guess how much nerve you have, maybe, and there he goes. Yeah.
I had a lot of trouble with my motor right from the start.
Oh.
then medical issues.
Yeah.
I started with a different instructor the first year.
Nice.
And that didn't work out too well.
Oh.
Kevin's really good.
Okay.
But still, I should have been able to get it done last year, and then just when we were starting on the motors, and it was never flown, it was brand new, and it died on me. I had to have a new piston put in it.
Wow.
It was apparently too lean right from the factory. So hopefully I'm going to get it done this year.
Okay.
I must be the slowest one with it.
Well, we'll call it cautious. We'll call it that,
Yeah.
right?
The home point has been obtained.
The Inspire has a neat little feature where you can, just by tapping the screen, move the camera independently of the drone. See it? 360 degrees. That's, oops, back the other way. A little bit of a lag here. That's the back of the drone right there. That's it. I can pitch the gimbal down. Well, that's the side of it, actually. Gimbal down a little bit. The only other quad that you're able to do this with, I believe, is the new Mavic series. That's the back of it there. The new Mavic 2s, I believe you can do that too. Thanks a lot for letting us fly.
You're welcome. Yeah, no trouble at all.
Well, that'll do it for today's flight. It was a nice little surprise to have the paraglider series. It was really cool. So just remember to hit that like button if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.